Hey everybody, this is Brian with Fort Knox Company, and this is a quick video on how you can diagnose maybe why your AC unit is not working. Some things to check first before you call that guy. Like I always say, check your breaker panel, always make sure the power is off, and you can check the breaker for your AC and see if it's popped. That could be your first thing, but always turn off the power. Whoa.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Next thing you want to do is actually go out here to this unit and check this breaker panel. This box will usually have some type of breaker pull, and in this case, I can already see the problem right here. It says line 2 fuse bad when it's lit. So that means that this fuse is bad on this side. So what you can do is just pull this out and see the inside here. And that means that this 60 amp fuse is bad. And one way to fix that is with some new ones. You can pick up these at your local box store, or you can order them off Amazon, obviously. I'll put a link in the description for these. But these are about $5, and then they have an Edison brand that was about $15. So I opted for the generic brand. We'll see if this works and get this thing back running. It's the middle of July here in Vegas, so this is essential. And these are some things that you can do and check really quick yourself, and obviously fix it yourself by just replacing this for a few dollars before you wait on that AC guy to come. Another thing you want to check and make sure is that when you put these in there, that they're very snug, that there is no wiggling. One thing that can make these go bad, other than just maybe being old or lots of use over time, is if there's a bad connection and it's not firmly touching these terminals. That right there will be the first thing that will make these things go, or it'll pop a fuse in the house. So make sure these are nice and tight. You can crimp them up a little bit if you need to firm them, but make sure they're having a really good solid connection. And just like that, I was able to put it back in, and I got the fan running. Now we have AC back in the house. Always come out here and check this box first, or after your breaker in the house. This is a really quick thing you can do to disconnect the power if you need to disconnect and work on this. You can also check and see if these go bad. They do go bad sometimes just because they're old, but it's a really quick fix you can do yourself. And now we're back up and running, and we don't have to wait on the AC guy to come out. So just like that, guys, I was able to fix my AC unit in probably less than 45 seconds. I did have to take a trip to the Home Depot to go get these fuses. But again, I'll put a link for these in the description, but this is just a couple quick things you can check on your AC unit at home. And even if your breakers look a little bit different, check your fuse box outside by the unit, and then check your breaker box inside. And it might just be one of those that need to be reset. It could be caused to pop just because maybe you have too many appliances running, even though they should be on their own dedicated line. You never know. In the summertime, it gets crazy out here in Las Vegas, so AC is essential. And we have a couple small kids, and we were able to get this AC back up and running within the hour, including the drive to Home Depot and back. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit like and subscribe. I have lots of information on stuff like this, things around the house, and I'll see you on the next build.